What's up, guys? West Texas Hunting Guys here, coming to you for a video today, which is kind of cool. We got a chance to come down to San Antonio, Texas, to our good friends over here at All Seasons Feeders and get a tour of kind of their whole facility where they do the manufacturing and assembly and production of all their awesome stuff.
Truthfully, this is our second year to go to their facility, but we had such a good time last year that this time we wanted to try to do a better job of documenting all the cool stuff that they've got going on. It's such a cool facility. They do everything on site. Really, as far as you're talking about things made local or made in Texas, All Seasons Feeders is that brand. So they've just got, you know, tons of stuff. It's durable and quality products. So we're slowly revamping all of our hunting activities to be All Seasons Feeder, products because of how quality they are.
And what's cool is they have a taxidermy room that looks similar to ours. So
yeah, I mean, theirs is okay, I guess. Cool thing is these are hunters that are developing hunting products. Long-standing families that are Texas natives and Texas hunters that are developing stuff that they'll try out on their own.
But yeah, a ton of cool products we've tried there. As you can look at here, there's all kinds of products. They're feeders, they're lights, they're
protein feeders.
Yeah. Cottonseed feeders.
Some of their new products, and you'll see we've got some review videos of some of these that we purchased. This Easy Feeder is a 600-pound Easy Feeder. We've got a review of that separately, so make sure you go and find that. But they're coming out with always trying to develop new products that are more affordable in galvanized steel as opposed to their heavier 16 gauge, galvanized metal instead of the 16 gauge steel. So
here's the bore lights that we use literally on almost every hunt. These are the Predator lights that we've used recently that are just amazing spotlights for hog hunting.
Truthfully, all the stuff that we've gotten from them have essentially been game changers for us. Like, honestly, these are only the things that we are using. So we talked to the owners and wanted to make sure that we had a chance to this time tour the facility and see, how they're making some of their products. Some of it was, too special for us to even put on video.
But Lindsay was really cool and took us kind of through the whole facility from start to finish on how things are made up until whether shipped out. This is a spot where they're actually building a couple of their massive feeders. They do all their own in-house metal work, which you'll look at here in a minute, but this is them welding up and assembling these massive trailer feeders.
Yeah, it's really cool. Like we said, they do everything on site. So we got to talk to their welders, talk to some of their crew there that was working on products actively while we were there. So really cool to see the stuff that they're all building on site. So again, I know we said it before, but made in the USA, made in Texas, these are those products.
It's also impressive how fast they can build these quality things. We were talking to them and impressed how quickly they can put together some of these intricate pieces of metal and make them into functioning feeders.
This is kind of cool. They're coming out with new products. Like I said, they're looking at affordability and durability. They've got aluminum product lines and galvanized steel lines and other heavier gauge metal lines. They also are looking, they also have a ton of products that are just in like the barbecue pits.
This is their this is their All Seasons Smokers lines. They've got fire pits, pit smokers, pellet smokers, all kinds of good stuff. So who doesn't love a good barbecue? And they got a lot of them.
Yeah, super organized. These are some of their protein feeders. In fact, I bet these are the 600-pound stand and fill protein feeders we've got some reviews of. But again, this is a pretty tight operation.
Going into the paint booths here to get painted up and weatherproofed.
Yeah, tight operation of people that are working on stand and fill feeders, broadcast feeders.
Yeah, and this is the actual metal shop of their facility. This is where they're going, and they're actually cutting out and designing and doing all the work in-house from start to finish, which I think was one of the most impressive parts. There's a lot of people that'll outsource, the metal work and they'll assemble in-house, or outsource, different parts of it. This stuff is made from start to finish here in-house, which I think is pretty awesome.
And it's quality stuff. I mean, laser cutters, you know, guys are just working with these, you know, raw sheets of material.
Lasers, you say? What are we in, 2050?
And just 2022.
Lasers?
Just normal, just regular.
This is stuff that I don't understand, but I know it looked really cool, so I wanted to put it on camera. This is just them cutting out different sizes of metal and designs and things like that.
A lot of these were sheet cuts to go on some of their broadcast feeders, but they also had guys working in the same area that were doing stuff for, you know, laser cuts for you know, products like here for their fire pits and other things like that. So really cool, you know, design products and bending them, but just the stuff they were putting out was just like honestly just cool across the board. So we were just excited to come and check it out because we've liked everything that we've had from the hunting side of All Season Feeders.
Do you think you're smarter than me because you know what these machines do?
I've only said lasers. That's
lasers and benders.
That's right. This is called the Bender 9000.
The Bender 9K.
Yeah.
Here they are just kind of putting it all together again. They do it from start to finish, which is pretty cool. And then we got to go outside and
that was not a laser. That was just
regular.
The old regular stuff.
This is the truck and trailer that I wish was going to our ranch. It's got about 15 feeders loaded up on it, but we did get the ability to bring home a good amount of feeders that we had planned on in advance. We brought home some feeders and a bunch of other, you know, things to try at the ranch.
Yeah, if you haven't been out, it's worth a drive by just to see their yard, to see all the cool feeder products. Go check them out online, All Seasons Feeders. Make sure you look at all the products that they have. We were just excited to get home with some stuff. You know, we want to try out some barbecue pits. We obviously love the bore lights and wanted to get those, you know, tried out. Same with the Predator XT lights. All things that truthfully have been game changers for us, and I think will continue to be that way. So we were excited to load our trailer up with some protein feeders, some broadcast feeders, and some extra trinkets and goodies that are going to help us get you know, through the next couple hunting seasons and hopefully far beyond that.
Well, and truthfully, if you watch our channel, you'll see that we use every single thing that we talk about. We want to kind of put into action what we say into words, and we use everything that we talk about because if we don't support something, we're not going to use it. But all this stuff has been solid and honestly great to use.
My words are Brandon's actions.
I'm an actor. No, not actor. I'm an action man.
You're an actor. I speak and he acts.
Here I am loading everything up, doing all the work while Michael dinks around in his toolbox looking for some straps or something.
Brandon only lifts boxes that are under 20 pounds.
Lindsay tricked me into lifting something that she said was super light and it was heavier and it made me look weak. Luckily, the camera was not on to see that because I'm super strong. Look. Nice try, Lindsay. No, truthfully, this was a great trip and it was just super interesting seeing things made from start to finish and being able to take things home and sample it. So shout out to All Seasons Feeders. We really appreciate them letting us come by and take a look.
Yeah, if you haven't had a chance already, make sure you hit that button, subscribe to our channel, follow along at West Texas Hunting Guys on Instagram as well, and we'll talk to you guys again soon.
Thanks. This is what you call the old American tie down. It derives from old Western days when cowboys used to tie stuff down. Isn't that right, Michael?
Nope.
No. Snort. Snort.
Oh, don't worry, I wasn't recording the whole time.
Strap it on, that's fine.